Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVibe Nexus. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to YouTube SEO, your key to ranking your videos higher and reaching a larger audience. Let's get started. First off, what is YouTube SEO? It's the process of optimizing your videos so they rank higher in search results and suggested videos. YouTube is the second largest search engine, so mastering SEO is crucial for your channel's growth. Step 1. Keyword research. Use tools like Google Trends, TubeBuddy, or Vidic to find relevant keywords for your niche. Look for keywords with high search volume but low competition. This will help you target the right audience. Next, optimize your titles and descriptions. Include your main keyword in the title, ideally at the beginning. For your description, write a detailed summary of your video, incorporating keywords naturally. This helps YouTube understand your content better. Don't forget about tags. Use a mix of broad and specific tags related to your video. And remember, your thumbnail is your first impression. Create eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click. Finally, focus on engagement and watch time. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. The more engagement your video gets, the higher it will rank. Also, create content that keeps viewers watching until the end. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope you find this guide helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy uploading!